I've been working from home over the last couple of days because everybody who can work from home should work from home. I've also had some mild symptoms of coronavirus and upon medical advice I was tested and that test has been positive, so I'll be self-isolating here until next Thursday. Fortunately for me, the symptoms so far have been very mild, so I've been able to carry on with the work, driving forward the UK response, and also being able to just say a massive thank you to everybody in the NHS, working social care and right across the board on the response. I thought the clap for the carers moment last night was unbelievable and so wonderful to see the whole country uniting in support for those who look after us. But I'll be continuing to do everything I can to get our carers the support that they need. And I'll be doing that from here, but with no less gusto. And then from next Thursday, once I'm out of self-isolation, and I hope with no more symptoms, then I'll be able to get back stuck in and into the office where necessary. But the truth is that all of us can learn that working from home can be really, really effective.